Hey, what's up guys? Welcome to another one of my adventures. If you're new to my channel, I'm doing the 52 hike challenge this year. This is my hike number 19. So right now I'm here in Asheville, North Carolina. I'm staying in Asheville for a couple of days, so I'm gonna try to get as many hikes as I can. But right now we're here in Dupont State Recreational Forest. So we're gonna do Hooker Falls, Triple Falls, and High Falls. Funny fact is that the Triple Falls is where one of the Hunger Games movies was filmed. So let's get going. That was the easiest hike to get to the waterfall. I was there like in 10-15 minutes. So if you're in a pinch, want to see a waterfall really fast, then this is the trail for you. So I found the trailhead for High Falls. The Triple Falls, I couldn't find it, so it looks like everybody is here. I don't even know if there's gonna be a parking spot. Yeah, this guy is leaving right where I'm at. I am so very lucky. Okay guys, this is gonna be about a 3-mile loop. I already did a mile to go to Hooker Falls. Now I'm gonna be doing Triple Falls and High Falls. Whatever order that may be, I don't know. Let's go. What I really appreciate about hiking in Asheville is that I'm not dripping buckets of sweat. So I really appreciate that very much. It feels very nice to be hiking in such a great temperature for a change. But I'm thinking I'm not gonna be able to see Triple Falls, which is kind of sad because that's where one of the Hunger Games movies was filmed. So as I get closer to that, I will let you know. But so far this trail is pretty busy and it's a Friday. So if you're gonna get here early because parking spot may be an issue, but the trail is very easy. There's pretty much almost no challenge. A little bit incline decline, but it's not that bad. I think I'm approaching High Falls right now. Whoa. I saw some people down in the falls, so I'm trying to find the way or how to get down there. Somebody told me left and the other guy told me right, so I'm like, okay, so I think I'm just gonna try what I think it should be. I don't know. I don't know, this is the way. I don't know. Oh, there it is, base of the falls. This seems more of a legitimate way to go down instead of what I was trying to do. Alright guys, approaching the bottom of the falls overlook. You can actually hear already. Prepare to be wowed. I made it! You could definitely hop along those rocks all the way back there, but no. I think I'm good here. I really don't want to fall down and have all the drama happen to me. I think I'm good here. Thank you. You're welcome. Wow, a lot of work. Yes. I thought he was going to tell me to turn around and go back, but he told me to go this way, so I get to see it. Alright, approaching our last stop, Triple Falls. where a scene of Hunger Games was filmed. I'm not sure if you guys can recognize that. So now I'm just gonna head back. It was a pretty easy hike. Everybody pretty much can do this. Dogs are on the leash and the trails were pretty wide, so it fit a lot of people. They do some construction here, but don't let that deter you. They can still make it through. Alright, that's it guys. So this video is gonna be pretty short and sweet. The construction is only gonna be for a few more days, so by the time you guys get here, if you guys want, Hooker Falls, Triple Falls, and High Falls are all gonna be connected. And there's porta potties at the entrance of this, and no parking and no entrance fees. Right now it's almost 1 o'clock. I'm debating whether I should call it a day, get some food because I only had breakfast, or go to my next hike, which will mean no lunch, no dinner, and I haven't even booked my place to stay tonight, so that's fun. But I still have some energy, so. And the next one is gonna be at, forgot the name, Looking Glass Rock Trail, which is pretty, it's a moderate height at about 6 miles, so it's only 30 minutes from here. If you want to see how it goes, don't forget to subscribe. So that's it guys. If you guys have any questions, comments, please put those in the comments box below. I'll be happy to answer them whenever I get a chance. And see you next time. Bye. Hey guys, thank you for watching. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe for future adventures. See ya!